name is Reese.
And I'm Naomi.
And we are going to do a breaking your back video.
We have a twist of words in it though. Step on a crack and your younger sister will break her back. So let's get started.
Step on the crack and break sister's back.
Yeah, right. Bye. Actually, nothing happened, so.
Oh, I broke my back.
Whoa! Are you okay?
Yeah. Did you break your back?
Nope.
I think you broke your back. Good thing I brought a walking stick. I was going to 10 months later. I wonder if Naomi no longer had her back broken. Hi. My back is fixed. My back is fixed. Yay! And that was the end of our video. Bye.
We got this idea of me tripping over a stuffed animal in Reese's room.
Yeah, so like we had this giraffe stuffed animal right here, and then she was looking at my ladybug lamp thingy, and then she was
I just started walking and I just fell over it.
And then she tripped over. Then she got the idea, how about we do a breaking back video? So, bye!